People are wondering what's inside our package with Rex self-paced classes, so let's show you. This is our middle and high school level software. It is designed for students to be engaged through gamification, things like a leaderboard to compare themselves to other students, also analytics for them to see how they are doing on their own stuff. This shows them their pacing, their scores, what they've completed, and what they have next inside of their courses. They can check on their progress and know exactly where they are and how they're doing in their course. Next is their courses tab. Inside of here, every course they're signed up for is going to show up. It's again gamified so that they can see their progress through a map just like they would in a regular game. Inside of here, there's going to be the instructional content. We have videos. These videos are designed for instruction to be delivered directly to the students. Inside of here, they also can see where they are in the course, how they're doing, what's next, and what's still locked. They can go through and watch the next video after they've watched the video for the topic that they're currently on. And then after these videos are completed, it will go into activities for them to practice the vocabulary they're learning, the concepts they're learning, and go into projects as well, especially for our programming classes like Scratch 2D game programming, FlowLab 2D game programming, and classes like our Python and Java class as well. Inside of the activities, they're going to be practicing typing the vocabulary as well as clicking. The example you see here is one of our image hotspots. So the students are going to be given a picture before they jump into Canva, and they're going to be able to see the different places there. Once they're done, they're able to then go back to the world, go back to analytics, go back to the different places, and also spend the coins that they've earned at the store. The store allows the student to try on different items, see the price of those items, and then know exactly what they need to save up for. Once they have enough coins, they're going to be able to purchase those items and equip them to their character. As well as the gamified settings for our high school students, we obviously have the settings and different things for them to be able to customize to their needs. They can quickly check and see how they're doing, and they can also see notifications from the teachers or from Rex, and they can set the settings. They can turn off background music if it's too distracting. They can change the volume levels and make it personalized for them. Now on our elementary school side, you're going to notice that the UI looks completely different. This is because we have designed each UI to be engaging for an appropriate age group. So the elementary school uses dinosaurs in a little island instead of that whole city view like you saw with the middle and high schoolers. Inside of the elementary school, there's still a store for them to buy and purchase things with those coins. So they can come in here, it can entice them and engage them. They can see exactly what they need to be working on to get the coins for the items that they desire. Once they try on the different items and know what they want to buy, they can purchase it, they can equip it, they're able to swap out with whatever ones they previously purchased. So again, it just allows the students to be just enticed and engaged in a different way from just learning in a typical LMS. So as a student progresses and moves around, they're able to again see the different courses that they have inside of their class. Each of the different courses is going to show their progress and let them know exactly where they are inside of it and how many levels they've completed and how many levels are left. You're going to see that they're still progressing through it. They're going to see it through that map view, and they have their instructional videos again. As they go through and watch the instructional videos, just like with the high school students, they're going to know where they are in the class and what's coming up next. So as the students are progressing in the elementary school, they're able to see, just like in the high school setting, their analytics and how they're doing against their peers. In the analytics, they're going to be able to see how much they've completed in each of the courses, what their scores are, and what they have next. They also have the ability to go see their leaderboard to see again how they're facing against their peers so that they can see where their coins are and exactly how that goes against all the people who are essentially in the same courses as them. The students are able to customize things just like the high school, and that shows you our elementary school space as well. Finally, we want to show you our keyboarding and mouse software. This is designed again in a gamification fashion so that students are progressing through the levels like they're progressing through the levels of a game.
Practice putting together consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant words.
Inside each of the levels, they're going to be typing different things, and it's going to progress and get harder and harder as they go. As they type, it's going to show them in their practice where they should be placing their hands, and they can slowly see, based off the green letters, what they're getting correct, and when it turns red, what they've got incorrect, and they can continue to go through and correct what they've done. Now we will practice putting together consonant. After the students have completed and gotten coins, they have the ability to go into the avatar store to buy new avatars as they gain more coins. Coins are given as students progress through and have higher and higher levels of accuracy in their typing. These are all of the different pieces of what you get with Rex software.
Academy. In computer science, it's important to learn how to type effectively. The better you can type,